Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change Facebook username. Friends, due to some reason if you want to change your Facebook username, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. In settings, press on account center. Now here press on profile and personal details. Now press on your profile name. Now here you will find username. Press on it. Now here it will show your Facebook username. So from here you can change it. Like you can see, this username is not available. So I will add something in the username. Now this username is available, so I will go for this name, and also it will change my Facebook URL, which will be facebook.com/my username. So after completing, press on done. So here you can see my username is changed on Facebook. So friends, like this you can very easily change your username on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.